Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Thanks for popping in. Here we have a few different parts for Bose Aviation headsets. Here we have a Bose Aviation Headset X. Also, these parts are compatible with the A20 as well. So we have some premium upgraded parts. They are definitely different than the standard manufacturer type of parts. So we're going to go over the differences here during this video and show you how to install them and everything. So here we have our cooling gel ear pad. This is an awesome upgrade, actually. Keeps your skin cool. So it has a wicking material here, a cooling gel layer at the surface there, and then a cooling gel infused memory foam, which has a pretty slow bounce back. Definitely contours to your head and gives you a custom fit. Great for if you wear glasses as well. So here we have our protein leather, which is a synthetic type of leather. We have the air holes in the middle there. It's very soft, very cushy material, and this is also a premium memory foam as well. Has a nice slow bounce back. And these are an excellent option for if you want to choose something different than the original style. And here we have our hybrid, which is a velour type of material, and it has the vent holes in the middle there, as well as some very good slow bounce back memory foam, and it also has a synthetic type of leather around the edges. And the original ear pads are also synthetic leather as well. Most ear pads are. So it's no different in that area. Here we have our OEM standard type of ear pad for the aviation headset, and this is just regular standard foam. You can see there is no really slow bounce back. It just bounces back super fast, regular standard foam. We have this available as a cheaper option as well. So yeah, the standard OEM style type of ear pad from CentralSound. And then we have our mic muff cover, which is a bit larger than the original mic muff cover. It slides on a little bit easier. That hole is bigger, so you don't have to mess around too much with it. And here we have our headband pad, which is a soft synthetic type of material, and it's super comfortable and soft on the head. So here is an old ear pad that's still on there. It's fallen apart. There's crumbs on it, making a big mess. So we're going to get that off there, and we're going to put some new ear pads on here. And we also have our custom made yoke part that holds the ear cup on. Those are known to break, so we have a solution for that made right here in the USA. Check us out at centralsound.co for those parts as well. So here, in order to remove the ear pad, you would just pinch it and pull it. There is a little flap on the back that holds it in place. And this is the original ear pad, and I'm going to go ahead and dissect this thing and cut it open so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside as compared to our premium ear pads. So I got my scissors here. I'm going to snip these open, and once you take a look inside, you can see the discoloration. It's yellowish, brownish. The memory foam is definitely not very good when it comes to the bounce back and everything, but the originals do have memory foam in there as well. And here we have our cooling gel ear pad. So you can compare the two. You can see definitely a difference in denseness when it comes to the foam. Our foam is more dense, has a slower bounce back, definitely has more of a custom fit and contours more around your ears as compared to the original ones. And then we also have our protein leather one here, which is very similar to the other memory foam and the cooling gel ones. And then we also have our hybrid one, which has a slower bounce back. This is actually a different type of memory foam, which has a slow bounce back compared to the original ones. So very soft, and these are also thicker than the original ones as well, our premium ones. So let's put that aside, and I'll show you really quickly how to install these. So we're going to take away these little mats here, these little foam mats, and place some new ones, which are also included with our ear pads. So we're going to take these old ones out. The original ones that come on here are kind of like a screen, and you can take those out and replace them with these. That's perfectly fine. So you want to make sure that you're using that flat surface. That flat edge goes with the flat edge inside of the ear cup. So you want to match that up and then tuck those foam ridges underneath that plastic rim. So it'll take a little while to work at it and get it in there. And then once you do have that all worked in there and evened out, then you can install the ear pad as well. Now I'm going to show you how to install our cooling gel ear pads, and it's the same process for all different variations of the ear pads that we have here. So I find these easier to replace than the original OEM ear pads. They are a little more stretchy and they have a little more material in the back to be able to maneuver into the small crevices that you would need to tuck these into. So first you just want to line up that bottom seam to the bottom of the ear cup. And once you have it in place, you can kind of just hold it in place with one hand and then start tucking in the rim piece in the back all the way around. So fairly simple, straightforward process. Might take a few minutes to get it all situated, but it is a pretty simple process, and I find these easier to install. They're more flexible, a little bit stretchier, so makes a big difference. And once they are completely in there and in place, just test them, make sure nothing comes loose. As you can see here, once you do have them on, there is a big difference between the originals and the upgraded extra large version that we sell. So you can see a side-by-side comparison here. So on the left we have the ear pad that was removed from these headsets, and then the right is our upgraded extra large version. So definitely a big difference. Very comfortable, cushy, and contours to your skin and your ears and everything. So excellent upgrade. And we're going to go ahead and install the other ear pad as well. So first you start with that foam mat, tuck it all in there, and then same process just like the other side. You want to line up that seam with the bottom part of the ear cup, and then just start tucking all the way around. Now that both ear pads are installed, let's take a look at how the headset looks. So it almost looks like a whole new headset with these new ear pads on there. They don't even look like the Aviation headsets anymore. And this is compatible with the headset X, A10, and the A20 as well. So it fits those ranges of headsets. And as you can see here, there's a pretty good suction in there too. Really good seal. Once you put these on, in comparison once again, the original ones and our upgraded extra large memory foam versions. So definitely a big difference in comfort, and it's got that cooling gel effect too on our cooling gel ones, which is definitely different, and you could most certainly feel it once you put them on immediately actually. So if you want to try something new, and this is an excellent option for you if you would like to just kind of make your headset unique in a certain sense. And here's the mic muff cover. So we have our own mic muff covers that are larger and a bit easier to install. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this one and kind of give you a demonstration of our mic muff in a comparison as compared to the original ones that go on there. So I'm just going to yank this off here really quick. And then, so that's the original one that was on there, and pull off the band. And here is our replacement mic muff. So you can see there's a big difference in the size and also the hole where you slip the mic into. So it slips on really easily, and then you just put that band over it, hold it in place. Super simple and easy to install the mic muff cover, which we sell as well. And might take a couple attempts to get that band on there. It is a little tricky sometimes, so but once it's on there, it gets on there, and it's very solid and secure once you do have it installed completely. So another excellent upgrade for your headset as well. If you need a new mic muff cover, and then also we have our replacement headband pad, which is very soft. This is a synthetic type of material, but these kind of get rough over time and get dirty, and it's good to replace this also every now and then. So we have the Velcro on the back right there, and you just pull the old one off and slip the new one back on. So this is an Aviation Headset X, which has that Velcro. If you have an A20 and you need the Velcro piece to glue in the inside of the headset, we also have that as well. So an awesome upgrade for your Bose Aviation headsets. So yeah, just a few different options we want to demonstrate to you. So thank you for watching. If you are interested in purchasing any of these items, you can go to CentralSound.co, use promo code AV10 for a discount. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.